Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester, and today we're going to be doing a video update on Neiro. First Neiro on Ethereum. This is the Neiro that got listed on Binance and has been performing pretty well since that listing. Okay, so we're going to be going through this from a fundamental perspective, a technical analysis perspective, and looking at the chart to see if we can get some price targets. If you're new to the channel, drop a little subscribe, notification bell on. You're never going to miss one of our uploads here, and also drop a little like. It is completely free and it would help us out tremendously. As you can see here, the market cap is currently $427 million for First Neiro on Ethereum. Currently priced 1/10 of a cent, okay, and on the daily we are down currently 6%, well, 6.32%, just a little bit of a pullback here. Nothing too crazy in terms of chart volatility at the moment. Over the last sort of a day here, you can see that it's pretty much been trending sideways. Nothing really too crazy happening here. Over the last 7 days, it's sort of the same scenario as well. If we go to the all-time high for this asset, if we're referencing a market cap here, you can see that the all-time high market cap is actually up at around $530 million there, okay? So since the Binance listing and all the hype sort of came about, it's not really dumped too much, which is a positive sign. Now the next sign that is looking really good for us here is actually the volume, guys. The volume for this asset is actually ranked 27th in the world out of all cryptocurrencies here, which is very good considering this coin is ranked 209th. Okay, so it shows there's a lot of trading volume happening here, specifically on Binance, which is expected here because that's where the majority of crypto trading volume does happen in this day and age. But overall, from a bullish standpoint, being ranked 27th in volume compared to a lot of the other coins, and being ranked 209th is a very good sign for bullish momentum for this asset. Okay, so considering it is down 6% today, it's actually a very bullish sign that that the volume is really outperforming a lot of other assets here. Okay, moving on to the chart here, let's have a little look here and see what we're working with. This is a trade that I've prepped up for later here. There's a couple things going on here. If we're looking at the high here for Neiro, just drawing a very simple trend line down like so, you can see resistance, 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 resistance. What we're looking for is basically a period of bullish momentum from this trend line, from this level of support and resistance all the way up to that trend line area. Okay, if we look at momentum just in general, you can see these areas in terms of a level of support are actually really quite bullish. Okay, so just asking for a very simple 8% move from this level of support. If we can come up, come down, retest, then we're going to be entering a lovely little long there for that lovely 8%. Okay, so that would be the long position I'd be looking out for Neiro. And again, probably another DCA position that is looking quite tasty here is this 5-minute volume weighted ATR, and the 15-minute is hidden in there as well, and the 30-minute. Okay, so these all together are very strong when they collide together like so, right? Especially with this lovely level of support. It kind of looks like what we're going to see here is a very strong bounce and buying area for this asset. Okay, we've seen it previously, so if we do come down to this area again, I would expect a very nice DCA buying level there. And I'd probably just DCA the whole way down this bad boy because it's holding really well. It's got a lot of traction in the cryptocurrency space, and it looks pretty good overall. Okay, so yeah, definitely something to look into, guys. The 8.64% is it's quite an easy position an easy trade in my experience. And then after that, if we're looking at breakout scenarios here, guys, it is going to be basically breaking out of this trend line and exploding to the upside from that point, right? So the breakout scenario that we can essentially be looking out for here will be looking something along the lines of this. Okay, if we just get this trend line, draw that inside like so, that's creating a bull flag chart pattern. Bull flag chart patterns tend to usually mean momentum to the upside, continuation. Okay, so if we can get that breakout, this will be the measure move that we are looking for. Okay, and that is going to be worth around 22.44%, and that will bring us to all-time highs here for Neiro. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this TA, and whether you hold Neiro, or what price did you buy it? Did you get in before the Binance listing, or did you not? And are you bullish or bearish on this asset? I want to know in the comment section. Let me know. If you found value in this video, guys, drop it a little like. It's completely free for you to do so. But yeah, that is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. I'm going to leave a little secret project that I'm invested in. I've bought into their pre-sale in the link in the description if you guys want to go check that out. Definitely some early alpha info there as well. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.